This is Radius Series 4G, and today we're going to be unboxing each product. For over 2 decades, the Radius series has set the benchmark for compact high-performance loudspeakers. Now, with the introduction of Radius 4G, Monitor Audio has reimagined the range for a new generation, combining elegant design, advanced acoustic technology, and impressive sound quality in a collection of speakers that fit seamlessly into any space. So let's start with the new Radius 1. So the Radius 1 is the smallest speaker in the range, and despite its size, it packs a punch. It makes for a great discrete stereo system. You can use it as surround channels in a home theatre system, or you could use it with your computer on a desktop using our special desk pads that I'll show you a little bit later. These are the Radius 1s in the satin white finish. Let's take a look at that. So inside the box you'll get a documents and accessories envelope. So inside here you get the quick start guide and any other safety instructions, and an Allen key. So you use this to maintain bolts on the back of the cabinet and just give them a tighten every so often. Next up is the Radius 3. It's the larger bookshelf model in the range, offering greater bass extension, a wider soundstage, making them perfect for stereo music listening and home cinema installations too. So the Radius 3 model has a larger bass driver than the Radius 1, plus it's rear ported using our Hive 2 port technology, which helps move air smoother through the cabinet, creating less distortion in your bass. The only addition in the box is the foam port bungs, which go into the Hive 2 ports at the back of the speakers if you're positioning your speakers near a wall to reduce the bass boom. Now for the largest product in the range, this is the Radius On-Wall, and as the name suggests, it's designed to go on a wall. So it's designed to offer the same level of high performance, but just part of an installation, say, around a TV for an AV installation. We'll first have a look at the fixing template. So you can use this to measure up the holes you need to make on the walls to fix the product onto the wall. And there is the Radius On-Wall in our black gloss finish. So one of the great features about the Radius On-Wall is that you can use it in a vertical orientation, so say a left and right channel either side of a TV, or you can use it in a landscape orientation or a center channel. So one of the design details on this product is that the logo sits on this pin, and you can pull it out of its vertical orientation, and then you can place it in the hole to have it in its landscape orientation. Now we are on to the Radius floor stands. So these are dedicated floor stands that are made specifically for the Radius 1 and Radius 3 models. Let's unbox and assemble the Allen key to attach the speaker to the stand. The stand doesn't require any tools to actually build it, so you get the long metal pole section. This is the white model, which comes with the ash feet. Just screw into the base of the metal pole. Pop this box out of the way, and there you are. That is a stand built in just a few seconds. If we attach a Radius 1 as a demonstration, so as you can see, there's a keyhole fixing on the back of the product which matches the stand. So it makes it really easy to locate where the screw needs to go in. There we go. Lastly, for those desktop orientations, we have the Radius desk pads, which come in a pack of 2. So you pop it on the desk, it's a rubberized pad, and then you can place your Radius speakers on top, which will provide the perfect angle for listening when sitting at your desk. So that's Radius Series 4G. To learn more about the range, head to monitoraudio.com.